Hi, my name is Div Harish. I'm here to tell you about how to measure thrust forces of a rotor that you might be using in your quadcopter. Um, the lift provided by the motor is a very important parameter that one needs to understand as you build the quadcopter. The total thrust provided by the four motors will lift the whole thing up. So if you want to characterize the motor before you build something, here's a way you can do it. So you can use one of our USB load cells like our iLoad TR, iLoad Pro, or an iLoad Mini load cell, and mount the propeller, the motor, directly into the load cell, and you can create a stand of some sort to attach the load cell to it. And most of our sensors offer USB output, so when the propeller runs, you can measure the thrust offered by the motor directly. Then you can also use an actual digital scale that we offer, like the iWeigh scales with USB output, and you can mount the entire quadcopter onto it using some kind of a tie wrap at the four corners as shown here on the scale. Here's a video that shows you a live test that we performed of a quadcopter in motion. So as you can see, as the speed of the propeller goes up, the thrust increases, and as the thrust increases slowly, the weight felt by the scale is reduced, and at liftoff, the weight goes to zero. So that's how the experiment can be done. You can also use four independent load cells at the four corners of a quadcopter to determine the CG of the quadcopter, so that you can appropriately balance it out so it doesn't tend to go in one direction or the other. So you can use our load cells to determine the thrust forces, the CG of the propellers, uh, or of the entire quadcopter, and characterize your solution before you make it ready to fly. Okay, give us a call, and we look forward to hearing from you.